Hi everybody, Steve Szara here from Szara Dental Lab, and this lab video I'm going to demonstrate how I take a preformed Arrow Clasp and use it a little bit different to make some really sweet retention. Here we go. And I'm not going to use it typically the way you use it. In fact, I'm going to use it a little bit different. In this case, I need a little bit more retention. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a preformed and bend it to a deciduous tooth to just add that little extra edge that's going to give a little more grip. The doctor can adjust it when it's all finished. Just take a good bird beak plier and open up the clasp a little bit. And I'm going to bend so it's like a mini, let me just move this out of the way. It's like a mini C clasp that I'm going to use, but by having this little arrow part, it gives it a little more of a grip. I'll just contour the tooth. What I wanted to do is just grab a little bit of the undercut and then come forward. In a future video, I'll probably have someone who makes a lot of Arrow Clasp demonstrate this on my channel. That technician can show you how they use an Arrow Clasp that's different from this. But I found this to be a very versatile, and it just gives a little extra edge. You can bend it in and out to make that adjustment, so it gives that little catch, that little bit of grip. And once the appliance is made, the doctor can pinch it in just a touch and it'll grab it. So it's a pretty simple clasp to make. Now I'll add some retention. And again, I use this clasp quite often. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'll have new videos coming up.